The best portable camping toilets in 2026? In this video, we break down the top options that combine comfort, durability, and easy setup for your outdoor adventures. Whether you are camping, traveling, or preparing for emergencies, these picks have you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect fit for your needs, and do not forget to check the links in the description. Number 5, the PAHTTO Portable Camping Toilet is a practical and well-designed solution for anyone who values comfort and convenience during outdoor activities. Built from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, this folding toilet feels sturdy enough to support adults while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. Its compact dimensions allow it to collapse into a slim profile, making it simple to store in a backpack, car trunk, or RV without taking up much space. One of the standout features is the secure lid, which adds an extra layer of hygiene and usability. The integrated retractable toilet paper holder is a thoughtful addition that enhances convenience, especially in remote locations where every detail matters. The included waterproof carry bag helps keep the unit clean and portable, while the disposable liners make cleanup quick and hassle-free. Setup is straightforward and does not require tools, which makes it ideal for beginners and experienced campers alike. Whether you are hiking, camping, on a road trip, or dealing with emergency situations, this toilet provides a reliable and comfortable option. The stable base design helps prevent tipping, offering peace of mind during use. Overall, the PAHTTO Portable Camping Toilet combines portability, durability, and user-friendly features into one compact package. It is a smart investment for outdoor enthusiasts who want a cleaner and more convenient sanitation solution on the go. Number 4, the Eioehtl portable toilet is a thoughtfully upgraded option that focuses on comfort, strength, and versatility for outdoor and emergency use. Designed with an elongated seat shape, it closely resembles a traditional household toilet, offering a more relaxed and natural sitting experience. The wider and slightly elevated design makes it suitable for both men and women, which is a welcome improvement over many compact camping models. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, this portable toilet is built to last while still remaining manageable to carry. It supports an impressive load capacity of up to 450 pounds, providing confidence and stability for a wide range of users. Despite its solid build, it folds down neatly, making it convenient to store in a vehicle, tent, or travel bag. One of its standout features is the detachable phone shelf and toilet paper holder. These additions bring a level of convenience that is often missing in portable toilets, allowing users to keep essentials within easy reach. The included disposable waste bags simplify cleanup, while the waterproof storage bag ensures hygienic transport after use. Assembly is quick and straightforward, taking less than a minute to set up or fold away. Beyond its primary use, this unit can also function as a stool, trash container, or emergency bucket, adding to its overall practicality. Overall, the Eioehtl portable toilet delivers excellent durability, comfort, and multifunctional value, making it a reliable choice for camping, travel, and unexpected situations. Number 3, the Boreeman Portable Camping Toilet is a smartly engineered solution that combines portability, durability, and versatility for outdoor use. Constructed from modified polypropylene, this folding toilet feels solid and dependable while remaining lightweight at only 3 pounds. Its patented fish scale structure adds impressive strength, reinforced by internal ribs that allow it to support up to 400 pounds with confidence. One of the most appealing features is its adjustable height design. The toilet can be extended from a compact 2.95 inches to a comfortable 13.58 inches, making it suitable for users of different preferences. This flexibility is especially useful when adapting to various environments, whether you are camping in the wilderness or stopping during a long road trip. The compact folding mechanism allows the unit to collapse into a flat disc-like shape, which makes storage incredibly easy. The built-in carrying handle adds convenience, ensuring it can be transported without hassle. Setup is quick and smooth thanks to the precision-engineered structure, allowing you to open or close it within seconds. Stability is another strong point, with multiple non-slip feet providing a secure base even on uneven ground. The included toilet bags and waterproof storage bag enhance hygiene and simplify cleanup after use. Beyond its primary purpose, this portable toilet can also function as a stool or trash container, adding extra value. Overall, the Boreeman Portable Camping Toilet offers a reliable and adaptable solution for camping, travel, and emergency situations. Number 2, the Hapoon Portable Camping Toilet for Adults is a well-designed and dependable solution for anyone seeking comfort and convenience during outdoor or travel situations. Made from high-quality acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, this portable toilet feels sturdy and reliable, supporting up to 400 pounds with ease. It is suitable for both adults and children, offering peace of mind in terms of durability and safety. One of its strongest features is the extra-large design. With a wider and taller seat than many competing models, it provides a more comfortable and natural sitting experience, similar to a standard home toilet. This makes it especially useful for longer trips where comfort becomes a priority. The included lid adds an extra level of hygiene and helps control odors, making it more practical for both indoor and outdoor use. Setup is quick and simple, allowing the toilet to be folded or unfolded within seconds. Its lightweight and space-saving design make it easy to store in a car, RV, or backpack. Whether you are camping, hiking, or traveling long distances, it is easy to carry and always ready when needed. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to its compatibility with standard 8-gallon bags. This ensures a hygienic and hassle-free experience after each use. Beyond its primary function, it can also be used as a stool, storage box, or emergency indoor toilet. Overall, the Hapoon Portable Camping Toilet delivers excellent comfort, versatility, and ease of use for a wide range of situations. Number 1. The Sckee Camping Toilet is a feature-rich and thoughtfully designed portable solution that brings comfort and convenience to outdoor adventures. Built from heavy-duty ABS plastic, it offers excellent durability and can support up to 450 pounds. The contoured ergonomic seat and extended opening provide a more natural sitting position, reducing discomfort and making it suitable for users of different body types. One of the standout aspects of this model is its smart and compact design. Despite its sturdy construction, it folds down to a slim size that is easy to store in a car, RV, or backpack. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it is highly portable and comes with a storage bag for quick and easy transport. This makes it a practical choice for camping, hiking, long road trips, and emergency situations. Ease of use is another major strength. The toilet features a stay-up lid for added hygiene and convenience, along with a built-in paper holder that keeps essentials within reach. A detachable tray provides a convenient space to hold a phone or small items, which is especially helpful during nighttime use. The included waste bags and gel help solidify liquid waste, making cleanup cleaner and more manageable. Its stable base ensures reliable use on a variety of terrains, from sandy beaches to rocky trails. Overall, the Sckee Camping Toilet offers a well-balanced combination of durability, portability, and thoughtful features for outdoor and travel needs. Thanks for watching our guide to the best portable camping toilets in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the right option for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe for more outdoor gear reviews. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments, and do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and deals.